Привет! It's been a while since we saw each other last time. Как дела? I hope you are doing отлично. And today we are going to talk about one of the most important and basic grammar topics of the Russian language.
This topic is called the gender of nouns. Род имен существительных. If a grammar of the Russian language looked like a cake, this topic would be the very first layer, because all other grammar topics are connected to it. Let's firstly identify which words are nouns. Nouns are words that denote objects, living creatures, natural phenomena, and events. And these words answer questions what, что, and who, кто. All nouns in the Russian language can be divided into two groups: animate nouns and inanimate nouns. Animate nouns denote living beings, people, animals, insects. Inanimate nouns denote objects, events, natural phenomena. Animate nouns answer the question who. In Russian, this question sounds like кто. Inanimate nouns answer question what, which sounds like что in Russian. Each noun in the Russian language in singular form has its own gender. There are 3 genders in the Russian language: masculine, feminine, and neuter. In order to identify a gender of a noun, you need to look at its ending, at the last letter of the noun. Masculine nouns end with consonants. For example, стол, шкаф, кот. Also, masculine nouns end with letter Y. For example, музей, герой. Feminine nouns end with letter A. For example, кукла, буква. And also, feminine nouns end with letter Я. Семья, тетя. Neuter nouns end with letter О. Окно, фото. Also, neuter nouns end with letter Е. For example, море, поле. And neuter nouns end with letter Ё. For example, белье, ружье. There are nouns which end with soft sign, and we will talk about them on our next lesson. Also, we will talk about exceptions. And here is your homework. Your task is to identify the gender of each noun. Remember, there are 3 genders in the Russian language: masculine, feminine, and neuter.
We will check your homework in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. Спасибо. I hope you enjoyed it. And пока. Пока.